So hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So alright guys, so you guys saw we made a beautiful lighted bicycle as you guys can see. So let's not talk too much and let's ride this bicycle. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Alright guys, let's ride this bicycle. Guys, so this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like this bicycle, beautiful lighted bicycle. So this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lot of Experiment. My name is PIRACY and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.